Hey everybody, it's car show day. Hey everybody, it is, well, it's kind of car show weekend. You didn't really shoot video this last weekend because of some things. We're going to talk about those. But before we get into that, Nosed and Decked. My buddy Wade has this clothing company called Nosed and Decked. I will link his website and all the Instagram and all that stuff. But dude, Wade, you make a quality shirt, brother. I just got these from his website and shipped them out immediately. And I mean, it's, yeah, I mean, look at this thing. Look at it. Whew. Man, quality shirt. Oh, I got another one too. I'm going to show off. Big respect, big shout out to my buddy Wade. Going after pursuing his dreams of having a clothing company and doing his thing. And he has one of my favorite cars. He has this beautiful Plymouth. It was at Caffeine and Classics. I got to see him and hang out and check out his Plymouth and hang out with him and his girlfriend. It was a good time, yeah. But I digress from a long weekend. So usually I shoot video. You know, I go to multiple events. I did a lot of events this weekend. I don't normally do that. I haven't done that in a while, but things are changing and opening back up. So I started Thursday, and total I went to 6 events from Thursday to Sunday. I haven't done that many in a long time. I was feeling it Monday. But the reason I didn't shoot video, I usually shoot with a Canon 5D Mark IV 2040-70 lens. That is my everyday go-to. I shoot that pretty much any pictures you've ever seen on nostalgiahighway.com or in any of my videos or anything else is shot on this with pictures wise, not video, but picture wise. And this thing's heavy and it's a beast. I love this camera to death, but I wanted something that I didn't always want to have to take that with me. So I got a look at the difference in size. I mean, you can see the difference in size and everything. I mean, it's a lot smaller, a lot lighter. But this is the Canon RP. It's their new full-size mirrorless camera. And I just wanted something that I could shoot with, but it also meant that I wasn't going to shoot video. But I'm going to show you a bunch of the pictures. I just what a great camera, and it's perfect. Other than I have an issue with the lens. It's a 50mm, the nifty 50. The 50mm is not great for shooting car events because you've got to stand back far enough that people walk right in front of you. You need the other lens, the 24-70, 24 to 35mm is perfect, but you get far enough back and people they don't even see you. They're paying attention to the cars. I don't blame them. They're doing their thing. But this is such a light camera. It's so much fun. But being that I got it, I wanted to shoot the whole weekend without having to worry about video. Because when I'm shooting, I shoot pictures and I shoot video at the same time when I'm doing car events and, cars are moving and things are going on and you want to capture all the stuff, activities. So let's get into the photos. Let's get into what went on and all the events and everything else. So a fantastic weekend of events, and I haven't done that many, even doing 4 on Saturday was insane. My legs and feet were killing me. I have, you know, I mean, heck, who's going out of the house? And suddenly I'm out of the house from, I was 6:30 a.m., started at Donut Derelicts, and I didn't get home until almost 8:30 that night, doing 4 events in that day. And it was a really great time, and it was great to see friends and be out, just out in the car community. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video, and we will see you the next show.